Hello my beautiful people, welcome and welcome back to my CVD of Styles channel. My name is Mercy. I hope you guys are doing well today. Today guys, I'm going to jump right in the video. So this company sent over to me this memory foam mattress topper. And guys, as you can see inside the box, so I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing and show you how everything is, because I want to update my bedroom. I had a mattress like at 12 inches, but I needed something higher up. So it has a manual instruction how to use the product. And guys, as you can see in my top of my mattress, so it's easy for you to install. So it takes up to 78 hours to everything to be fully deflated. But for me, it didn't take that long. As you can see, you can adjust it if you have a big mattress. My mattress is at 12 inches, but you can adjust it if you have up 14 or 16. It's all depend. As you can see, the mattress topper is very nice and very durable, and the quality of material is very nice, guys. As you can see, my son is the one that helping me put it together, fix my bed for me today, and I'm so really grateful for that. This mattress topper, guys, is a multiple layers memory foam, so that's gonna give you a best night's sleep ever. So guys, I really love this mattress topper because not only it just boosts my sleeping, and it make my bed more higher up, and I really love it. So if you're on the market for a mattress topper, this one can be a very good option for you. As you can see, the material is very nice, very soft, many layers that's gonna embrace your body and make you feel good while you're sleeping. And the other thing that I like about this company, again, they have the mattress protector. And guys, if you order yours, you don't have the mattress protector, you're missing on things. Because as you can see, once you have your mattress or any type of mattress that you may have, so cover it up. It's the best way to protect your investment. So I really love the mattress protector. So as you can see, it's very thick and fluffy, that, like I said again, that's gonna embrace your body, give you a best night's sleep ever. And as you can see, my son, he loved the bed so much, he volunteered to help me fix my bed. So that's how good this mattress protector is and mattress topper is, because I love the way my bed transform, and I love everything about it too, guys. The link will be in the description box down below. If you are looking for something like that, feel free to check them out. And as you can see how deep it is, regardless the size of your mattress, it can fit your mattress, like the deepness of the mattress. So my mattress becoming like 15 inches right now, so you see the mattress protector still able to cover everything. So I really like it. So the link will be in the description box down below. Feel free to check it out. I'll take some time to welcome everyone new to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Mercy. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you'll be the first person to know. In my channel, guys, I do product review, clean with me, DIY. And if you're not new, you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so today. To all my subscribers, thank you so much, guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you guys. I love you all, and keep on watching. For my bed sheet, I'm going to use Bedsure. And guys, what I like about Bedsure, this particular one that I have, they already pre-washed, so I don't have to wash them. So you can always wash them if you want, but me, I really don't have to, because they already pre-washed, which is a plus for me. So that saves me time, money, and energy. Okay guys, today I'm going to go fully black, covering my bed, guys, because I want it to match up with my living room, my dining room, and my kitchen. So I think it's turned out very nice. So if you want to see how everything turns out, so make sure to watch the video till the end, because I wanted to add a a black rug, but I didn't want to buy one at this moment. So for me to add the black that I really want in my bedroom, that's why I chose to go with the bed set all black. So that's what I chose it for, because I want everything to be coordinated together, and just add a little yellow hint just to match up everything. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and keep on watching.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Precious cargo, be careful with my heart, oh. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your hair get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. And I know that you really tried to protect it. I know that you really tried, but you didn't get it. Sometimes you fall. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once, for once. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once, for once. But sometimes you fall. 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 Waiting on the day when we don't feel the same. We've come a long way. Don't ever let it change. No matter where we go.
Okay guys, this is the finished look. Let me know down below what do you think, if you like it. If you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share the love with your friend and family. I really like the way the room turns out, guys, and I didn't want to do too much decor because I'm going to change this lighting right there. You guys, you know, I like the fan, but I'm in love with crystal chandelier, so you know it's definitely gonna go. And on my upcoming videos, you're going to see I'm changing up everything. So what I did this week, I add up curtain. I finally added my window treatment for this space, And this dresser have a mirror, but I don't like it. I want to add something more fancy, so that's why I'll leave it this way for now. Okay, this part over here, I'm going to add a fireplace and a TV. The little table gonna go because I just use it to study. And as you can see here in my dresser, I put contact paper just to match up with the bed. It's another great way again, guys, to upgrade your furniture if you don't want to spend too much money. I had those furnitures for a while. Now I just buy another bed because the bed that I had was a queen. Now I have a king. So guys, that's how I have for today. That's the way my bedroom is. Like this fan gonna go. I'm going to add other nice stuff and other beautiful mirror. So far, that's the way the bedroom is. So let me know down below what do you think, if you like it. And I can show you how I study in on this table. I like it for now, but once everything is situated, it's gonna go when I make my office, when I finally decorate my office. Okay guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for taking your time watching it today. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.